Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to download Rise of Kingdoms application on your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your Play Store. Soon after you do that, go to the search box at the top and type in Rise of Kingdom. Look for this application that says Rise of Kingdoms Lost Crusade by Lilith Games and tap on the install button to begin downloading the application. Wait for the app to download and install on your Android device, which might take a couple of minutes. And once it is done, you can tap the play button to launch open the app and start playing. So that was how you can easily and quickly download Rise of Kingdoms application on your Android phone. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.